Hi, hello, good morning. Today I am going to show you how to make pudina dosa. Here I am taking pudina. I have taken capsicum. After washing it, grind it with salt and green chilies. After that, mix it with dosa batter. Take a pan, pour batter, spread like a dosa. After that, sprinkle oil, fry it both sides. Here I added turmeric also to the batter. You can add carrot, cabbage or any vegetable like green peas, corn, anything you can add. Add jeera also. You can add tomato. Keep pudina on the top of the dosa. Turn another side and fry it little bit. Flip dosa, sprinkle cheese on the top and fry little bit. Our capsicum pudina cheese dosa is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.